Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to bleed a Dodge Durango cooling system. Start by warming the engine to operating temperature and relieving pressure safely. Next, secure the vehicle and use gloves and glasses when opening the radiator cap slowly. Keep a clean container ready to catch coolant and inspect hoses for leaks. Work in a ventilated area and avoid running fans while you access the system. Follow each step calmly to prevent burns. Gather the necessary tools before you start to make the job smooth and safe. You will need a funnel, coolant catch pan, a 1-gallon supply of proper coolant, and basic hand tools. A coolant tester and a refill bottle help maintain proper mixture and level. Having spare clamps and a short length of hose can prevent surprises. Organize everything within reach so you don't leave the engine running unattended. Begin bleeding by running the engine at idle with the heater set to high to circulate coolant through the heater core. Carefully open the bleed valve or loosen the upper hose clamp until air and coolant flow, then tighten when you see solid coolant. Monitor the coolant reservoir and add as needed until bubbles stop and the level remains stable. Cycle the thermostat by revving briefly and recheck levels after a short road test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.